This is question number 8 of quiz 4 for chapter 4. So Chang Incorporation balance sheet shows a stockholders' equity book value of $753,600. The firm's earnings per share is $2.97, resulting in a price-earnings ratio of 12.14. There are 51,000 shares of common stock outstanding. What is the price-book ratio? And what does this indicate about how shareholders view Chang Incorporation? So the price to book ratio basically is the price per share divided by book value per share, right? Book value per share basically is the equity book value, the aggregate equity book value divided by the number of shares outstanding. So the earnings per share and the price earnings ratio. So from this information we can determine the price. By simply multiplying the earnings per share by the price earnings ratio, we can determine the price. And then dividing the price by the common stock or equity book value per share, and then we can calculate the price book ratio. So let me put the information down in the Excel sheet. P ratio here basically is going back 12, right? 12.14, and earnings, that's basically per share, that's basically $2.97. So this means price could be derived from multiplying price earnings and earnings per share. So, and then common equity, that would be 9,600, and there's that would be 51,000. So this means common equity per share will simply be the aggregate amount of common equity divided by the shares outstanding. So finally, price to book ratio will be price per share divided by common equity per share. Right? So then we have to follow the rounding requirement, round to two decimal places. 2.44. And then the price book ratio indicates that the shareholders believe that the company's shares are worth more than twice their historical cost value on the balance sheet. This is actually correct, right? Because the common equity indicates the historical value, and price is what the shareholders are paying for the company, so their ratio determines whether shareholders believe that the companies are worth more than their historical cost, and by how much. So this is actually correct, true. Check my answer.